Alright, here we are, table saw. I got this here parallel jig I just whipped up yesterday. Should work out pretty good for me. I did a couple of scrap pieces. Never done this before, so whatever. First, what I need to determine is the depth of my cove. I'm just going to use this compound square, what the hell it's called. I don't want to go the full depth of my cutout here because I want to leave a little bit to cover the hole. That should be good enough. I'll just raise up my blade until we're close here. Now, since I want to cut the cove from edge to edge, I'll just put my piece right in there. And then I just line up the jig so that it touches on both sides. Alright, I got it all lined up. Front edge of the blade just touches this board, and back edge of the blade just touches this board. Got it clamped down with these two little doohickeys I worked up yesterday. Now I'm just going to pass it across. It's not a deep cut, so I don't really have to screw around raising and lowering the blade. So, wish me luck. It's going to get noisy. Voila! Now do the other side. Alright, so that's how that works. That's kind of the look I was going for. Mostly. So now it's just sanding them down, straightening it out, putting it back together.